Hello everyone. As we are approaching World Television Day, I thought why not take a walk down memory lane and relive some of the great ads and campaigns created during the golden period of advertising, which was the 90s and early 2000s. 1st January 1976 was when the first Indian television commercial was aired. But it was the 90s and early 2000s which was termed as the golden period of advertising. Some of the most iconic television commercials were made during this period, which are still recalled by most of us. These commercials set trends and established the brands in a way that even 3 decades later, it still resonates with most of us. Take, for example, the Cadbury Dairy Milk Asli Swad Zindagi Ki campaign, where we see a girl waltzing her way into the cricket field after the winning sixes hit. This ad was so popular that recently Cadbury remade this ad again with a twist and with a gender role reversal. This also came at a time when Cadbury was trying to break the Indian mindset that chocolates are only for kids and trying to establish it as a treat for everyone across age group. How many millennials remember the Fevikwik fishing ad? The brand used humor with very minimal dialogues to establish the brand message Chutki mein chipka hai. And what a wonderful way of doing so. And when we are speaking of Fevikwik, who can forget the iconic Fevicol ads of the 90s? The one that comes to my mind first is the ad where we see a group of villagers, about 100 or so, traveling in a bus, some on top of the bus, some hanging from the bus, and some inside the bus. The bus travels through a rugged desert road in Rajasthan, and there is no brand uses, there's no hard selling of the brand anywhere in the ad. It is just a scene straight out of Indian villages to establish the brand proposition. Storytelling is also another aspect of the 90s ad. They just got 30 to 60 seconds to tell a story, and they've done that beautifully in various campaigns. One that comes to my mind first is the Dhara ad, where we see a young boy running away from home and then going back for his favorite jalebis. Real people, relatable situations, and beautiful emotions, and your brand makes an impact. The early 2000s gave us some great campaigns as well, and I have to mention the Hutch ad, which features the boy and the dog with the beautiful message, wherever you go, our network follows. What a brilliant way of establishing the brand message through the metaphor of a dog following his little master. And the ad being so well shot was a must watch, and you could watch it again and again without getting bored of it. This ad also made pugs as a dog breed very popular in Indian households, and many Indians started getting pugs as their household pet. The pugs were also termed, and I think it's still called, the Hutch dog by many. I can go on and on about the 90s ads. There are so many more to talk about, but I'll take a leave now, and I would love to hear from you which is your most favorite ad from this period. Thank you very much.